What is your job and how much do you get paid to do it?
I'm working as a SWE intern in the Bay this summer at Meta, and I'm making $57.50 an hour.
Damn! So if you want to break into Meta, especially as a SWE intern, what is the one thing you have to start doing right now?
The biggest thing was applying early with a referral. If you get the process, just doing a lot of leak code and practicing with friends.
So what is your biggest leak code? Cheat code.
I think a big cheat code is trying a lot of foundational questions like the NEET Code 150. I think more importantly though is doing a lot of mock interviews. There's a big difference between just like sitting at home doing leak code and like actually talking through a problem from first principles.
And what is the most underrated thing you can start doing right now to become a great leak coder?
Taking a look at like the design section on leak code. These problems typically make you design like some sort of data structure, combining like other data structures and algorithms. I think it's a really good way to think about problems at more like a high level and like trade-offs.
And what is the biggest mistake you see with students though when trying to get a referral?
Reaching out to people who you don't have like a direct connection with. The best route is making friends with like upperclassmen. That way, like when they graduate and they're in their jobs, you can reach out to them.
And you think quality or quantity matters more when applying to internships?
I think definitely quantity matters more because like once you send your application out, it's sort of unknown whether you'll get like a process or not. So definitely just spam applications like to the highest quality that you can. Wait to see what hits and then start grinding for the interviews once you get them.
So if spam applying is the key, what is your key to having a great SWE resume?
Taking some classes that have like a good group project or like quarter-long project is good because you kind of knock two birds with one stone. You learn a lot in the class and you have a project for your resume.
And speaking of classes, do you need to go to class to get a SWE internship or no?
I definitely think it's not necessary, especially in the fall when that's when the majority of internships open up. If you're skipping class for a valid reason like grinding leak code or hopping on a call or something, I think that's definitely worthwhile.
And speaking of experiences, what is the worst way to experience college, especially as a CS major?
Being a CS major, it's very easy to like not be active. And I think it's very important that you combat that just by like going for walks or going for runs, going to the gym.